What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna cook up a dope trap beat using the Octane plugin. So let's jump right into this one. Alright, so you can actually pick up this plugin for like 10 bucks right now, so it's super cheap and it has a bunch of presets already built in. Now, this video is not sponsored by them, but they did send me this plugin in some of their expansion packs for free, so we're gonna use it and test it out and see how awesome it really is. What kind of results can you get with the $10 plugin? Let's check this out. So the cool thing right away is obviously you can resize this, so if you need it to be bigger or smaller, you can do that. You got all your delays and different settings like that, but I'm more interested in what kind of presets they have, because I'm not one that's going to sit there for an hour and play with the preset. So we're just going to run through some presets. So as you can see here, there's just all kinds of categories, pretty much everything you could think of, so you have a nice variety when you're using this. Let's check out some of the leads. Check out some of the bells. Actually, that Mumbai one really sounds good. Let's see what their trap bell sounds like. Trap bell gold. Alright, so these presets all sound really, really good. I mean, I haven't gone through one that I didn't like yet. Alright, I like this toy box bell. I think we're gonna start making our melody using that. Alright, so we just offset these so they'd be a little bit more natural. Now we're going to use Ableton's velocity plugin just to make random velocities for us. Alright, let's see if we can find a pad or a synth to kind of layer with this. Let's go through some of the other pad sounds that we have here. So we're gonna get an instrument to layer with our lead as well here. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright, I like that trap piano sound. That sounds pretty good. Let's lengthen out some of these notes though. Okay, so now that we have that piano in there, I want to find a different counter melody, so I'm going to go in here and pick something different. So as you can hear, a lot of these already have some reverb and delay on them and things like that. I'm going to go through and EQ these really quick. So let's start with the lead. Alright, I'm going to put some basic plugins on here, like some cassette, warm keys, one on the piano here. Let's see how this sounds though. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the tutorial. So as you can see, there's a lot of different categories and a lot of sounds to choose from. So the fact that this plugin's only $10 right now, it's a no-brainer. But anyways guys, I hope you guys liked that one. Smash the like button if you did. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.